Hi everyone, and welcome back to Oscar's Watercolor Techniques. Today, we are embracing the quiet beauty of winter by painting this stunning serene scene, a majestic snowy mountain set against a soft violet and blue sky. This painting is all about capturing light and atmosphere. We'll be using a simple wet on wet technique for the sky and some confident dry brush work for the mountain. It's a perfect project for beginners looking to build confidence or for anyone who wants a relaxing artistic escape. We can lightly sketch our mountain. I'm going for a classic triangular shape with a few jagged edges and ridges to make it interesting. Remember, keep your pencil lines very light so they won't show through the paint later. As you can see, I taped down our paper. Now using our large brush and clear water, we are going to thoroughly wet the entire area where our sky will be. You want it to be shiny, but not with puddles of standing water. This is the foundation for our soft, dreamy sky. While the paper is still glistening, let's drop in our first color. I'm starting with a diluted turquoise blue at the very top and some part of the humid area. See how it blooms and spreads? That's the magic of wet on wet. Now, before the first layer dries, let's introduce our violet. I am painting this just below the blue, letting the color blend and dance together. Don't overwork it. Let the water do the work. We can add a little more of our blue at the top to deepen it if we want. Then we just set this aside and let it dry completely. Patience is key here. This is the fun part. We are switching to our smaller round brush. We need a mix that's not too watery. We want a creamy consistency for strong, crisp edges. I'm applying Payne's Gray. See how I'm leaving little gaps in uneven areas? This will become our untouched bright white snow. We are not painting the entire mountain. We are painting the shadows of the mountain. Now, for some texture, I'm using a dry brush technique. I load my brush with paint, then dab it on a paper towel to remove excess moisture. Then I drag it slightly across the paper. This creates a broken, granular effect that perfectly mimics the texture of rock and snow. Let's add some darker accents in the deepest cracks and on the shaded sides of the ridges. This adds depth and makes the mountain look three-dimensional. Let's take a look. Our mountain is looking great, but it's looking a little like it's floating. Let's give it a base. Using a very light gray, we'll paint a soft shadow at the foot of the mountain. This instantly grounds it. And there we have it, a peaceful snowy mountain landscape full of light and atmosphere. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it relaxing. The contrast between the soft, wet sky and the sharp textured mountain is such a satisfying technique to master. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor tutorials every week. Thanks so much for painting with me today. Until next time, keep creating.